And so let's say we have this course here. This is a physics course, but we don't have any unit or lesson in it. So let's say we're going to create a unit. But keep in mind that this is a physics course and we're teaching forces, motion, and energy, and simple machines. So this is from the description we just provided. So we can create units in two ways. One is we can click on this add unit button, and it will allow me to just put in my unit title, for example, motion. And if I click on add, it will create the unit, and it has no lesson. We'll have to add them manually again. Or this is, let's just delete and see the another option. So we can also add unit by clicking on this generate units using AI button. So if we click on it, it will ask me to define the number of units I want to generate. Let's say I will generate 5 units, and I can put in my instructions for the units or my preferences for the units. And this is optional. So for example, I want to define, give me 2 units on forces, 1 on motion, and 1 on energy. So of the 5 units I want to generate, I have defined 4, 2 on forces, 1 on motion, and on 1 energy. Let's see how it does. So if I click on generate, so it has 2 units on forces, fundamentals of forces, and forces in everyday life, 1 on simple machines. So I didn't say anything about simple machines in my instructions earlier, but that was included in the course description here. So what it does is it actually puts in your instruction and the context from the course to generate the units. So if I just delete everything and start again, let's say generate units using AI, and I want to create 5 units and no instructions this time, click on generate, and it will give me units on Newton's law of motion, work, energy, and power, potential energy, kinetic energy, introduction to forces, simple machines. So it's still considered the context of this course from the name, grade level, language, and description, and gave me some units.